In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a loan for QuickBooks Online. Setting up a loan in QuickBooks is a straightforward process, but getting it right is crucial to ensuring your financial records reflect true and accurate information. Whether you're managing a small business or keeping track of personal finances, following these steps will help you maintain an organized and efficient accounting system. First, let's get started by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard where you'll find a menu panel. Here, we're going to locate the tab labeled Transactions. This is an important space because it acts as the central hub for all your financial activities. By navigating to the Transactions tab, you'll be able to efficiently manage and keep track of your financial records. With that in mind, let's go ahead and click on Transactions. Within the Transactions tab, the next area we're interested in is the Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a list of all the financial accounts you have set up in QuickBooks. It's where you organize your finances by categorizing every transaction that comes in or goes out of your business. This step is vital because we need to establish a dedicated account specifically for the loan you are managing. So, once you locate the Chart of Accounts option, go ahead and select it. As you open the Chart of Accounts, you'll want to look for the button marked New, which is often found towards the top right corner of this section. This button is your gateway to creating a new account, crucial for recording your loan accurately. Let's click on New. What you'll see next is a form where you need to input details about your loan. When you arrive at the field labeled Account Name, this is where you should type the name of your loan. It's beneficial to be as descriptive as possible here, as this is how the loan will subsequently appear in your records for easy identification. Once you've named the loan, it's time to set the account type. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Account Type, and from the options presented, choose Current Liabilities. Selecting this categorizes the loan correctly in your financial statements, distinguishing it as a liability that the business is responsible for. Then, move on to the Detail Type drop-down menu and select Loan Payable. This further refines the categorization of your loan, ensuring all tracking and reporting are accurate. After carefully reviewing the details you've entered, click Save. By saving these details, you effectively create the loan in your QuickBooks account, making it a part of your ongoing financial tracking efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a loan in QuickBooks Online. This step not only keeps your financial information up to date, but also facilitates a seamless bookkeeping experience, providing you with more meaningful insights into your financial health. Thank you for tuning in today. And don't forget to explore our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips and guidance.